First, secure your knotted thread with a few stitches. Place your button where you want to sew it on and bring your needle up through the first hole from the back of the button. Now, going across the top of the button, put your needle down through the hole next to it. Catch some fabric before bringing your needle back up through the first hole again. Repeat this a few times. Make sure your button is slightly tilted when sewing to make sure it is not sewn on too tightly. Sewing it on too tight will result in a button that does not go through the buttonhole easily. For a 4-hole button, you will continue these steps with the remaining 2 holes. After sewing on the button, wrap the thread around the button 3 or 4 times. This is another way to ensure the button is not sewn on too tight. Sew a few stitches underneath the button to secure it down before cutting your thread.